So here I'm going to give you a quick overview of how you can use AI Content Fly, a fairly inexpensive starter point for using predefined models. And one of the things I like about it is once you've logged in, if you go to this template area, you've got lots of different ideas that you can use to help you create marketing pieces for your business. The white are, I believe all of the white ones come with the base version. This is the upgraded version, things in here. Um, I'll give you a quick example. Let's say we want to do a cold email sequence, and this is for giver marketing. And we're going to say, create me. I'm going to pause this for a minute so you don't have to listen to me. Okay, so I created a kind of a basic prompt. Could go into more details in here. I could do it in the form of a certain great email writer, things like that. But what I wrote, create me a cold email. Excuse me, I did that wrong, didn't I? Create me a cold email introduction. I wrote that twice. Good thing I read this stuff again. Create me a cold introduction email to a small business owner using information from Giver Marketing. Add bullet points describing the benefits of Giver Marketing. Include a call to action for a free strategy session. Then I gave it, I just put in Giver Marketing Network as some context. We can change the creativity, tone of voice. Tone of voice is really fun because you can do all different kinds of feeling and test them out differently. And we're just going to hit generate text. And again, this has a 3,000 word text limit. Some of the other tools I'm going to introduce you to have different text limits, but this is pretty good. So what it came up with in just that amount of time was, let's talk about how giver marketing can help your small business. That's the subject line for your email. I hope this message finds you well. My name is, I'm the founder of, we specialize in helping small businesses. Giver marketing is a powerful way to create relationships with your customers and build loyalty. Here are some benefits of giver marketing. If you're interested, and there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this document and export it as a PDF just in case anybody wants it. There we go. So that's how you can quickly create multiple kinds of things in AI to help your marketing in your business.